Hi, this is King of Review. If the graph of y equals negative 2x squared plus ax plus b passes through 0, negative 3, and 3, negative 6, find the value of a minus b. So we want to find a minus b in this problem. But in order to do so, we must first find what a is and what b is. We're given the equation of a graph here, and we're also given 2 points that lie on this graph. So what we can do is plug in the points into our equation and solve for a and b. So let's start by writing out our equation. We have y equals negative 2x squared plus ax plus b. And we're given the point 0, negative 3. That means that 0, negative 3 is a point on this graph. So x is equal to 0 and y is equal to negative 3. Let's plug these values into our graph equation. So y, which is negative 3, equals negative 2x squared. So negative 2 times 0 squared plus ax, so plus a times 0 plus b. Now let's simplify this. We have negative 3. The negative 2 times 0 squared becomes a 0, and the a times 0 becomes a 0. So we have negative 3 equals 0 plus 0 plus b. And this simplifies to b equals negative 3. So now we know what our b value is. The next step is finding out what our a value is. So let's look at the other point we were given, 3, negative 6. So the point 3, negative 6 is a point that lies on our graph. In this case, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to negative 6. Let's plug in these values into our graph equation and include what we know for b. b is equal to negative 3. So rewriting our equation, we get y, which in this case is negative 6, equals negative 2x squared, so negative 2 times 3 squared, plus ax, so plus a times 3, plus b, plus, and our b is a negative 3. So now we have one equation and one variable, so we can solve for a. This gives us negative 6 equals negative 2 times 9 plus 3a minus 3. Negative 6 equals negative 18 plus 3a minus 3. Negative 6 equals negative 21 plus 3a. And we want to move the 21 to the other side, so we'll add 21 on both sides. This gives us 15 equals 3a, and solving for a, we get a is equal to 5. So now we know our a and b values. The problem asks for a minus b. So this is 5 minus a negative 3. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So 8 is our final answer. Thanks for watching.